Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini for image generation step by step. Start by opening Gemini and selecting the image generation mode, then choose a style preset. Describe your scene clearly, including subject, mood, colors, and camera angle. Add reference images if you need consistent details or specific objects. Adjust advanced settings like resolution and iterations to balance quality with speed. Save versions to compare results and refine prompts iteratively. Write prompts that start with the main subject and follow with mood, colors, and composition. Be specific about perspective, for example, three-quarter view or aerial shot, to guide framing. Mention lighting conditions such as soft morning light or high-contrast studio lighting to get the right atmosphere. If you want a particular aesthetic, name the art style or reference artists sparingly. Iterate by tweaking one element at a time and comparing outputs side by side. If you find this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like so we can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for background music and hands-free prompts while you work. It pairs nicely with creative sessions. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals to grab one if you like. Alright, now let's get back to the video. When outputs are close but imperfect, use negative prompts to exclude elements like watermarks or extra limbs. Adjust technical settings such as denoising strength and iteration count to sharpen details without introducing artifacts. Generate multiple variations and pick the strongest, then apply upscaling or minor edits to clean edges and enhance color. Keep a log of prompt changes so you can reproduce favorite results and build a prompt library tailored to your style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.